Here we have a York oil fired furnace. I'm out here to change a heat exchanger for cracks. That's the furnace with no heat exchanger in it. And here's the heat exchanger that was in the furnace. There's one crack there. Not sure if you'll be able to see it or not, but there's one right there also. These furnaces are notorious for cracking. It also doesn't help with the length of the vent pipe. We're going to be installing a inline power inverter to help that heat get out of this furnace so we don't have another cracked heat exchanger anytime soon. Thanks for watching.